Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a theme that seriously overhauls the back end for a classic CMS. So get ready, because we're about to go on a visual tour of the awesome new modern admin theme for XOOPS.
Okay, so let's be real. If you've ever worked with a powerful, long-standing CMS, you know this feeling, right? The front end of your site looks amazing, totally modern, but then you log into the admin panel and bam, it feels like you just stepped back into 2005. I mean, it works, sure, but is it really efficient and is it, enjoyable to use? Well, this is the answer. Meet the modern admin theme for XOOPS. I mean, just look at it. It is a total transformation. It's clean, it's bright, and you can just tell it's way more intuitive right off the bat. And let me tell you, this is not just a new coat of paint. Nope, this is a complete rethinking of the entire admin experience. All right, so let's get into it. What exactly makes this so, modern? We're going to break down the core philosophy and the key features that make this a real game changer for anyone running an XOS site.
So the whole thing is built on these really solid modern design principles. You've got this clean card-based interface, which basically just organizes everything into these neat little blocks. It makes it super easy to just scan and find what you need. Of course, it's fully responsive, so you can manage your site from your phone or tablet, no problem. And this is cool for the design-minded folks. It uses design tokens. What that means is your admin panel is always going to look consistent and professional, even when you add new modules down the line.
Okay, next up, let's talk about the heart of the whole experience, the dashboard. I mean, this is the first thing you see when you log in, right? And it has been totally reimagined to put all the important data right where you need it. And check this out. You get to choose your view. You've got this beautiful, crisp light mode and a really sleek, easy on the eyes dark mode. And the best part? Your choice gets saved in a cookie, so it actually remembers what you like every single time you log in. No more having to switch it back manually. Love that. The new dashboard is just packed with useful stuff. Right at the top, you've got these KPI cards for a super quick look at things like total users, active modules, even server load. Then you've got these awesome interactive charts powered by Chart.js, so you can actually see trends in user signups or where your content is. But my favorite part, for sure, is this powerful module widget grid, and we're definitely going to talk more about that in just a minute. You know, a great interface isn't just about function. It should feel like yours. And that's exactly what this theme does. It gives you the tools to make it your own, to tailor the whole look and feel to your specific workflow. And how do you do it? With this handy customizer panel. Seriously, you just click a button and this little menu slides out. From there, you can make changes in real time and you don't have to touch a single line of code. It's fantastic. And the amount of control you get here is the key. You can pick from 8 preset colors, or hey, pop in your own custom hex code to match your brand perfectly. You can adjust the font size for readability, which is a huge plus for accessibility, by the way. You can even tweak the layout, like making the sidebar more compact, or decide exactly which modules you want feeding data into those dashboard charts. Okay, let's switch gears for a second. This one's for the developers out there. One of the absolute most powerful things about this theme is just how extensible it is, and that's all thanks to its module widget system. You guys are gonna love this. It's incredible. To get a custom widget for your module onto the main dashboard, all you do is create one single file, a class file called modernthemewidget.php. You put it in your modules folder, and that's it. Seriously, no complex registration, no hoops to jump through. The theme just automatically finds it and displays your widget. It's just brilliant. And here's another really thoughtful touch for developers. The theme is smart. Let's say in your code you have an array key called total_posts with an underscore. The theme automatically cleans that up and displays it as a nice clean label, total posts. It seems like a small thing, but trust me, it saves a ton of time and keeps the whole dashboard looking consistent. So at this point, you've seen all the cool features and you're probably thinking, okay, this has got to be a pain to install, right? Well, I've got some good news for you. It is incredibly straightforward. First things first, let's just quickly run through the requirements. You're going to need XOOPS version 2.5.12 or newer. For PHP, anything from 7.4 up to 8.4 will work. And you'll also need the Chart.js library. But don't worry, the docs walk you right through adding it if it's not already there. The installation itself, it's literally just 4 simple steps. 1, upload the theme folder. 2, double-check that Chart.js is there. 3. Hop into your XOOPS preferences and pick Modern as your admin GUI. And 4. Clear the system cache. And that is it. That's all it takes to get this amazing new admin panel. You know, there's a quote from the themes creator that I think just sums this all up perfectly. It's simple. Enjoy your modern XOOPS admin experience. And really, that's the whole point, isn't it? To make managing your site more efficient, more powerful, and honestly, just more enjoyable.
So we've seen the total overhaul, right? We've seen the data-rich dashboard, all the customization options, and that incredibly simple integration for developers. So really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to stop managing your site like it's yesterday and bring your XOOPS admin experience into the future?